Alright, review for the on-top air compressor, 45-minute duty cycle. Very, very nice bag, right off the bat. Looks fairly quality for $149, I think. $149 plus tax is what I paid for. Adequate instruction bag, accessory kit, battery cables, a nice gauge up to 150 psi, but my truck goes up to 65 psi. Came in a Ziploc bag. I don't know what that means, but it's in here. So let's put it to the test. All right, we hooked it up to the the passenger side front, which you can see 24 psi. We got Chip just wanting to go home already. Sorry, Chippa. Truck's on. So 24 psi. 24 to 65 psi. Got it connected properly. And now we just turned it on. Here. Started at the 45-second mark of the video. Turn on the all-top air compressor at the 45-second mark. So it's going, it's going, it's going, it's going. And it's a 40-minute duty cycle. So I should be able to fill up. I mean, it's not gonna take 40 minutes to fill up on I'm on 35s. It's a 45-minute duty cycle. And if I'm not mistaken, 45-minute duty cycle means you can run it 45 minutes straight before you have to stop and it starts overheating. It should definitely be able to fill up all 4 tires from, I was at 20, like whatever I was at the front, all the way to 65. Definitely doable in under 20 minutes all 4, so we'll see. So we're a little bit over the 2-minute mark, or the 3-minute mark now. We're at 3 minutes and 15 seconds now. We're at 55 psi. Still going, still going. We're going to be at the 4-minute mark coming up here. So whenever it's at 62 or 63, I'll stop. Right now we are at the 4-minute mark now. 4 minutes at 61 psi. Boom, and we're done. 65. It took a little, about 4 minute 20 seconds from 28 psi to 65 psi. Usually right below the sand, at least 20 psi, but the sand wasn't bad today at all, so I was at 28. So 4.5 minutes, under 4.5 minutes from 28 to 65 psi, so not bad at all. I'm gonna go ahead and inflate the other 3 and give you an update. All right, so first impressions and use of the on top air compressor. 2 thumbs up. As of now, no real complaints. Oh, if I'm being completely honest, it's really hot to the touch here. To unplug it, let's see. Oh yeah, that's hot. Woo! So we can wait a few minutes and unplug it. No real complaints. All 4 tires. And if I was efficient with it, I was just lollygagging around. But you can get it done. 35-inch tires from 28 psi to 62, 63 psi in about 20 minutes. If I lowered the psi and I need to go all the way to 65, get everything done under 30 minutes. The duty cycle is 45 minutes. As of now, no real complaints. Although good product. I'll definitely keep talking about it on the videos, give you a long-term update, but as of now, it worked as it advertised for the purposes that I needed to. Great product.